Itadakimasu and Gochisousama. Hello, welcome to our channel, where we aim to share Japanese culture with audiences around the world. Today, we'll introduce the beauty of Japan's food culture and the profound spirituality behind it through the phrases Itadakimasu and Gochisousama. Let's dive in and enjoy until the end. By learning these expressions, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Japanese gratitude and connection to nature, making your next visit to Japan an even richer cultural experience. These two expressions are not just greetings or table manners, they are deeply significant in reflecting Japanese spiritual culture. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Learn the proper use of Itadakimasu and Gochisousama. Understand how these words are used in the daily lives of Japanese people. Discover the religious and philosophical values behind these expressions. Let's deepen your understanding of Japanese culture and values. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu is what Japanese people say before starting a meal. It conveys gratitude for 1. The lives of plants and animals that became the food. 2. The efforts of those who cultivated, harvested, and prepared the meal. 3. Nature and the blessings of the universe that provided sustenance. Origin. This gratitude is rooted in Japanese religious beliefs. In Buddhism, all life is interconnected and sacred. In Shinto, nature is revered. Saying Itadakimasu acknowledges these principles, respecting the life and effort that went into the meal. Gochisousama. Gochisousama is said after finishing a meal, expressing gratitude for the food and the effort behind it. The word originates from chiso, which means running around to gather ingredients, symbolizing the effort made by those who prepared the meal. Shinto philosophy. In Shinto belief, everything in nature contains a spirit. This perspective shapes the Japanese view of food as sacred, and saying Gochisousama honors the people and the natural world that contributed to the meal. Mottainai. The Japanese concept of mottainai, or wastefulness, is closely tied to food culture. This mindset encourages using ingredients fully and minimizing waste. Through Itadakimasu and Gochisousama, this value is embodied in daily life. At home. In Japanese households, the family usually says Itadakimasu together before starting a meal. Parents use this moment to teach children the importance of life and gratitude. After finishing the meal, everyone says Gochisousama to express appreciation for the meal and for whoever prepared it. Public place. At school. In schools, students say Itadakimasu before eating lunch together and Gochisousama after finishing. This practice instills a sense of gratitude in children. At work. At workplaces, people often quietly say Itadakimasu before eating lunch and Gochisousama afterward. These habits reflect the deeply ingrained values and etiquette in Japanese society. At a restaurant. At restaurants, people often say Itadakimasu before starting their meal and Gochisousama deshita to the staff after finishing. This shows respect for the efforts of those who prepared the food. Culture and religious. Japanese food culture is deeply influenced by Buddhism and Shinto. Buddhism emphasizes gratitude for life and avoiding waste, while Shinto values harmony with nature and considers all living things sacred. Sacred. These religious perspectives deeply inform the meanings behind Itadakimasu and Gochisousama. For Japanese people, eating is not just about nutrition but a sacred act of receiving life and expressing gratitude. By learning and practicing Itadakimasu and Gochisousama in your daily life, you can deepen your understanding of Japanese culture. When you visit Japan next time, try using these phrases. That's all for this time. I hope this is helpful, even just a little. Have a nice trip.
Bye-bye.